Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed specifically for veterans like you who are considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring cybersecurity frameworks, key tools for structuring security practices. Understanding them builds a strong foundation for your cybersecurity career. Let's dive in. A cybersecurity framework is a structured set of guidelines, best practices, and standards that organizations use to manage and reduce cybersecurity risks. Frameworks help businesses assess their cybersecurity posture, identify areas for improvement, and establish consistent security practices. They're essential for protecting data, networks, and critical infrastructure from cyber threats. Think of a cybersecurity framework as a blueprint. It gives you a detailed map of how to build a secure system, from understanding risks to putting in place the right tools and procedures to mitigate them. There are several well-known cybersecurity frameworks that organizations around the world use. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework, or the NIST CSF, is widely used in both private and government sectors in the United States. The NIST CSF provides a comprehensive approach to managing cybersecurity risks, and it's broken down into 6 core functions: govern, identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Govern. Establish policy, manage risk, align with the business. Identify. Understand your systems and risks. Protect. Implement safeguards. Detect. Monitor for cybersecurity events. Respond. Take action during an incident. And recover. Restore operations after an attack. These functions provide a clear roadmap for how organizations can approach cybersecurity in a systematic, proactive way. ISO 27001 is a global standard for ISMS, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of sensitive information. ISO 27001 is used by companies worldwide, and organizations that follow it are expected to demonstrate continuous improvement in their security posture. ISO 27001 is especially useful for large organizations or those with international operations. It provides a more formal, audit-based approach to managing cybersecurity risks. The CIS Controls, developed by the Center for Internet Security, outline 18 key actions to prevent cyber attacks, offering a clear, prioritized guide for all organizations. The CIS Controls are designed for organizations of all sizes and are particularly valuable for beginners, as they provide a clear, prioritized list of tasks. The CIS Controls help organizations prioritize their security measures based on the most common and damaging types of cyber threats. Cybersecurity frameworks provide best practices to assess security, ensure consistency, and integrate security into the organization's culture and processes. For example, if you're working as a cybersecurity analyst, knowing the NIST CSF helps you understand how to identify risks, protect systems, and respond to incidents in a standardized way. The ISO 27001 standard helps organizations ensure that they are meeting global security standards, and the CIS Controls give you specific actions to take to secure networks. By working within a framework, you'll have a structured approach that helps you prioritize tasks, communicate effectively with other teams, and stay focused on the most critical security needs. As a beginner, focus on one framework, like the NIST CSF, widely used across industries. Organizations often provide training, giving you hands-on experience as you progress. There are plenty of online courses, certifications, and hands-on labs where you can learn more about these frameworks. NIST, ISO, and CIS all offer resources to help you get started, and many cybersecurity training platforms include modules that cover them in depth. Cybersecurity frameworks like NIST, ISO, and CIS are key to security. Understanding them builds a strong foundation and enhances your career. Find your perfect role by completing a quick survey at mycyberpath.com and kickstart your cyber career. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.